1:16 p.m. This is video 5 on Monday, August 4th, 2025. Today we're not going to eat over here today, and we're going to take a new path that I seen on the right of way of the roaring camp, and we're going to try that and see how far it is. I think it's new. I think the way I'm now pointing is the way we're going to go. If we have time, we'll try Henry Cow Park, which is right there, but we're going to go this way and see how far we can get to that path. I set it for 2 miles on my phone, and let's see what we can get on how far that trail is that we can see from the train as we crossed over San Lorenzo River, and it was on our right as we were entering Roaring Camp. So just hit this start button at the bathrooms where we're at. This is where we're starting, and see how far it is. I always like being up here. So far I walked 99/10 of a mile today from my house to the boardwalk to catch the train. Now we're walking some more. I don't see Mike Adams anymore up here or on the train. I wonder how he's doing. Good old Union Pacific Mike Adams. Last time I saw him was the west side at Safeway, on the west side. This is a pretty good walk. They got a nice long narrow gauge spur here. So far we're at 9/10 of a mile. Almost 1/10. We're at 09, not 9/10, we're at 09/10. Yeah, they built this last month in July. But I think it's done, so we're going to see what we can do here. Okay, we're at 11.11 tenths. Here's the start of it. Looks like 0.14 from the bathroom to here is 0.14 tenths of a mile. Yeah, we did not eat it. We did not eat at Roaring Camp today. I won. Today I won. I didn't eat. Today I won and I walked instead. I'm glad they made this new trail in here. We got a nice big tree right there, which I haven't seen before because nobody could go this area. Pretty good. We're at 0.24 tenths of a mile, almost a quarter of a mile out. There's the Roaring Camp line over there that we're pointing to. I mean the Big Trees line. We're between the Big Trees line and the narrow gauge Roaring Camp line, which is up there. Yeah, I can see the train tracks of the big trees. We're at 0.26 tenths of a mile. Heading upgrade. Now we're heading upgrade. That's good for my heart. Yeah, this is all new. I don't think Frank has rode this. Hey Frank, if you hear, if you still look at my videos, try this path here. Talking to Frank. There's some horseshoe tracks. His horse has been on here. Yeah, this isn't bad. .34 of a mile, almost a half. We started this at .14. What do we got here? Split? I guess we'll go to the right here. But we could go there. I think we'll take this or go to the right here. See if we can see the San Lorenzo River Bridge from the Big Trees line. See if we can see the bridge. We should be getting close. Alright, we're gonna have to call this video 5 off. We're up at 11 minutes. In the video 5 on Monday, August 4th, 2025. And right here is .38 of a mile that loops.